In this video, I'll guide you through how to contact Google Cloud Support. Whether you're a developer needing technical assistance or a business owner seeking guidance, reaching out to Google Cloud Support can be essential when you face any issues. Let's dive into the process so you can get the help you need efficiently. To begin, you'll want to open the Google Cloud Console. This is your starting point for accessing all Google Cloud services and, importantly, their support. If you haven't logged in yet, make sure to enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, you'll notice that the interface is designed to help you manage your cloud resources effectively. But today, our focus is on contacting support. Next, direct your attention to the top menu where you'll see an icon with three dots. This is often referred to as the More Options menu. Clicking on this will reveal a list of additional features and functionalities. It's a small but crucial step, as this menu provides access to the support section. From the drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Get Support. Select this to proceed. It's important to note that depending on your account type and support plan, the options you see might vary slightly. However, this is the general path to start getting assistance for any Google Cloud issues you encounter. After selecting Get Support, you'll be prompted to choose the type of issue you're experiencing. Google Cloud categorizes support requests to ensure your issue is directed to the right team. Take a moment to accurately identify your problem. This could range from billing questions to technical issues or account management. Selecting the correct category ensures that your request is handled promptly by the right experts. Once you've chosen your issue type, the final step is to submit your request. Fill out any required details in the support form, providing as much information as possible about the issue you're facing. The more detailed you are, the easier it will be for the support team to understand and address your problem. After you've completed the form, click the Submit button. Submitting your request will initiate the support process, and you can expect to hear back from Google Cloud Support based on the priority and complexity of your issue. Keep an eye on your email or the support section in the Google Cloud Console for updates on your request. And there you have it, a straightforward process to contact Google Cloud Support. Remember, having a clear understanding of your issue and providing detailed information when submitting your request can greatly enhance the support experience. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it enables you to efficiently connect with Google Cloud Support whenever the need arises. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.